Like a beacon of light in the desert, Ben-Gurion University of the Negev is leading the way, attracting outstanding scientists and scholars who are working together to use science and technology to develop the region. They are pioneering new approaches to age-old questions, making the desert bloom with innovation and hope, creating a field of energy that has turned the university into a leading research center. Created with a mission to make a difference, the university has become a world leader in fields like Hebrew literature, community healthcare, and desert studies. Thanks to a bold policy of investing in talented young scientists and state-of-the-art facilities, the university is now home to many unique laboratories in cutting-edge fields such as nanotechnology, biotechnology, electro-optics, and environmental physics. It takes an exceptionally narrow beam of light to focus on atoms, the building blocks of life. Dr. Ron Folman is one of over 100 researchers throughout the campus working on nano-related technologies. In his atom chip lab, atoms cooled by laser light are trapped a few microns above chips similar to those used in microelectronics, which will hopefully enable the creation of precise clocks, global navigation systems, communication systems, and even ultra-fast computers. From atoms to microbes, BGU researchers are leading the way. Water is the essence of life, and nowhere more so than the arid, parched Middle East. Dr. Elon Adar's team of scientists is searching out new sources of drinkable water, exploring novel methods of desalination, groundwater reclamation, and an exploration of the underground aquifers that crisscross the region. When alarming cracks in Masada were discovered, the Israel Nature and Parks Authority called upon Professor Yossi Hatzor for help. He built a computer model that allowed him to simulate the effects of an earthquake on this historic landmark. His interdisciplinary approach of combining geological knowledge with an engineer's perspective made him uniquely qualified to provide real-time solutions that have been used to preserve and protect the national treasure. For Drs. Ohad Birk and Khalil El-Badur, early intervention is the best way to protect the next generation. High rates of intermarriage in the Bedouin community have caused a proliferation of genetically linked diseases. Their research combines community outreach and family counseling with sophisticated genetic sequencing. By unraveling these hidden codes, they hope to understand the secrets of genetic diseases like epilepsy, hypertension, and diabetes. Science with a heart. Research that makes a difference. Professor Smadar Cohn literally took these words to heart and focused her research on creating a novel method of mending a broken heart. Using biomaterials derived from algae, Cohen and her colleagues have developed a natural scaffolding that reduces cardiac damage after a heart attack. Now about to begin clinical trials, this innovation promises to bring hope to millions of people around the world.
Studies of the Bedouin community might lead to finding therapies for diseases such as diabetes or hypertension that are common also in larger non-inbred communities.
Our mission here is to be able to talk to a single atom. So we take that atom, we put it in a single place, and then we start talking to it. We're developing a dictionary between human language and atom language. We can ask it to scan our brain and our heart for electrical defects. We can ask it to compute, and it will be able to compute much faster than any computer that we are currently building.
My research project here is to find a way to reinforce the cliffs of Masada in such a way that will ensure maximum visitor safety, maximum long-term endurance, and yet will be aesthetically sound and nice.
The Zuckerberg Institute for Water Research is dedicated to carry research in the fields of water desalination, water exploitation technology, water management, and even water treatment technologies, all in order to come up with additional water resources for the region.
The drive for excellence that powers BGU is people. crossing academic disciplines, working together, creating a field of energy, propelled by a thirst for knowledge and a hunger for excellence. They are committed to research that is making a difference, whether it is eliminating disease, purifying water, preserving ancient cultures, or harnessing the building blocks of the universe.